Hello, beautiful ladies. I will show you today. Actually, I got this parcel today. This is the body comforter. This is the woman body comforter. So, I will order L size because my size is L, but it's too small. It's too tiny. I don't know. It's work. It's not work. I don't know. This is too small for me. I think so. But I will try and then after I will show you. I will order this one because I have a mummy pouch here. I have a little bit tummy. Look at this, guys. And this is part of me. I love myself. This is part of me. So I don't have any problem. But I have so many dresses this kind of, and I can't wear because I don't want to show my tummy. So that's why I will order this one. I have so many body comforter, but this body comforter review is really nice. So after wear, I will try. After wear, I will show you how to look, guys. Just give me a moment. Okay, ladies, look at this. After wear, my two size is small. I feel too skinny. Oh my goodness. Look at this. My tummy is gone. Shape is perfect. And this one is loose right now, otherwise it's tight. So guys, anyone like it, this one, grab it. Please grab it. It's perfect for any ladies, and especially for my Gujarati friend. જેને પણ આ ગમે લઈ લેજો. જેને પણ છોકરાઓ પછી કે નોર્મલી ટમી છે એના માટે બેસ્ટ છે, બિકોઝ મેં પહેર્યા પછી એકદમ ફ્લેટ થઈ ગયું છે, ટુ સાઇઝ સ્મોલ થઈ ગયું છે. ખરેખર બહુ ફાઇન છે. It's a very best product. I have so many, right? ખરેખર છે મારા પાસે, પણ આનાથી અહીંયાથી આખું કર્વ છે. It's perfect. સ્કિની લુક લાગે. અધરવાઇઝ તમે ઓલવેઝ મારા વિડીયો જોતા હશો તો ખબર છે કે મને ટમી છે જ, અને આ મારા બોડીનું છે. સો આઈ લવ માય સેલ્ફ. બટ લુક એટ ધીસ. લઈ લેજો. પરફેક્ટ છે. હું બીજા બી ઓર્ડર કરવાની છું મારા માટે. જેને પણ જોઈએ લિંક એડ કરું છું. Grab it. So guys, take it. Thank you so much.